Close your eyes and imagine a forest, a mountain, a sky. The colors you see are blues, greens, and violets, and those are cool colors. But even within this cool family, some pigments are cooler and some are slightly warmer. We will learn about this through this parakeet feather painting today. First, I'm mixing cerulean blue with Pythian green to get teal blue. And this teal blue leans towards green, so it is the coolest in our cool family that we use for our painting. Next, I'm swatching ultramarine, which is followed by indigo and violet. Here, violet is the warmest color that we use for this painting. I start by painting the top feather using a medium value of teal blue. For the middle section, I add more water to the same teal mixture to create a lighter value and paint it on the feather. Now I pick up ultramarine and I paint it along the edges of the feather, as you see in the video. Then I leave this feather to dry completely and I move on to the another feather, and I am not disturbing the first one. If I paint too close to this first feather, which is still wet, the water can spread into the neighboring feather and cause unwanted bleeding. I want each feather to keep its shape, so I work on a different feather which is little away while this one dries. For each and every feather, I repeat the same process. I start with teal blue, then I add ultramarine along the edges of the feather. Now the painting is starting to take shape. Let's come back to the color temperature we were discussing earlier. I want to give you a simple way to remember it. In this video, we are using 4 pigments, all belong to cool family. They are teal blue, ultramarine, indigo, and violet. Just look at the direction of the blue that is leaning towards. If blue lean towards green, it becomes cooler. If blue lean towards violet, it becomes warmer. This is why teal, which lean towards green, is cooler color in this painting. Ultramarine is little bit warmer, which slightly lean towards violet, so it is swatched next to teal blue. Indigo pigment belongs to cool family, but it is a neutral color. In general, violet is considered warmer color in the cool family because it leans towards red. You don't need to memorize all of this today. Just remember that every color family has a warmer version and cooler version. From this image, you can understand even more better that is the blue which is closer to the green or which lean towards green are considered as cooler, and the blues which lean towards violet are considered warmer. If you take red, the reds that are leaning towards orange is considered warmer, and the reds that are leaning towards violet are cooler. For yellows that lean towards green are cooler, while yellows that lean towards orange are warmer. For greens, the green pigments that lean towards blue are cooler, while the green that lean towards yellow are warmer. You might wonder why I have to understand all these, but understanding this color theory makes color mixing much easier and help you to choose colors more intentionally. That helps you to create beautiful paintings. You can see I'm using indigo pigment along the left side of each feather to paint the shadow. This indigo pigment helps to separate individual feathers and it gives the painting more depth and dimension. I'm not explaining the painting process step by step. Instead, I'm concentrating much on color theory because for this feather painting, when you know how to paint one feather, it is the same process of repeating those teal blues and ultramarine. That is, first you have to apply teal blue, then you have to ultramarine, and for shadows to separate the feather from another, we are going to use indigo. Just use the reference image and follow where the pigments are placed. Finally, I add the central line of each feather using indigo. This helps to define the structure of each feather and makes them look more realistic. That's it, our painting is done. I hope you enjoyed watching it. In the next video, we will learn about complementary colors and how it helps to make our paintings to stand out. See you in our next video. Until then, take care and bye bye from Prema.